Hello, you are welcome to our geography lessons. Today we're going to continue with rocks and minerals. But before we continue, let us look at what we did previously. In the previous lesson, we looked at the types of rocks, and we said the types are based on the mode of formation, that is how they are formed. And as a result of that, there are three main types of rocks, which are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. We looked at igneous rocks, said igneous rocks are formed from the cooling and solidification of magma. We looked at the types of igneous rocks. We said igneous rocks have two types, that is intrusive and extrusive or volcanic igneous rocks. We said with intrusive igneous rocks, they are either plutonic or hyperbisa. With plutonic igneous rocks, the magma cools and solidifies deep down the earth crust. With the hyperbisa, the magma solidifies closer to the earth's surface. We also said that with the extrusive or the volcanic igneous rocks, they are formed on the surface of the earth. That is when lava cools and solidifies on the surface of the earth. We looked at the features of igneous rocks. We said igneous rocks are formed from the cooling and solidification of molten magma or lava. Igneous rocks are crystalline or glassy in nature. They are massive and very resistant, for they are formed either below or beneath the earth or on the surface of the earth. So these are some of the features of igneous rocks. We also looked at the importance of igneous rock. We said igneous rocks produce soil for plant growth. They are used for construction. They serve as tourist attraction. They serve as a source of water and industrial raw materials. These are some of the importance of igneous rocks. We also introduced sedimentary rocks. We said sedimentary rocks are rocks formed from sediments. And sediments are broken pieces of rocks or other materials. We said sedimentary rocks are formed by a process, and that process is known as lithification. And we said the lithification process involves four main processes, that is weathering. After weathering, there is transportation of the materials. The materials are deposited, and after deposition, there is what we call cementation of the materials, and that leads to the formation of sedimentary rocks. Today we're going to continue with sedimentary rocks, but before that, let's have an exercise on what we've done so far.